Not a chemtrail. Sun hasn't even come up yet. And here is the moon. Right there. There's the moon. Of course, that is my light, so don't pay attention to that. That's the moon. And then straight up at 12 o'clock right now is that plane passing over with a chemtrail. Long ass chemtrail, starting pretty much from way back. I mean, you can just way back. And the sun is getting ready to rise, so it's coming out. But you can see it going, and it just keeps on going right through the cloud cover. If you look at the line, a little hard to focus that far.